Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students. Welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Irfanullah, an assistant teacher of Islam and Moral Education, Morning Shift National Ideal English Version School, Dhaka. Now, I am going to conduct Islam and Moral Education class for class 4 students. Our today's lecture number is 14. Topic is chapter 3, short question answer 13 and 14. SW number will be 14. It's my name and here is my mobile number. So, dear students, let's start our class. Listen to me carefully. Our first question number is, what can be called a greedy man? You know, greedy, that means tempted or allured. So, a greedy man, that means a tempted man or a allured man. So, the answer is, a man who has greediness is called a greedy man. The more the greedy man gets, the more he wants. He wants more and more. It is called the greediness. It is said, greed begets sin and sin begets death. There is a word begets. Begets, that means generate. So we can say greed generates sin and sin generates death. I am repeating again. A man who has greediness is called a greedy man. The more the greedy man gets, the more he wants. He wants more and more. It is called the greediness. It is said, greed begets sin and sin begets death. The next question is, what is the meaning of misuse? The answer is, the meaning of misuse or israf is waste. The word israf is Arabic word. It's the meaning of misuse. An unnecessary expenditure, and here is the word expenditure, that means consumption or expense. So unnecessary expenditure, that means unnecessary consumption. To waste a thing without reasons, called israf or wastage. Misuse is a great sin. Almighty Allah says, those who make wastage are the brothers of Shaitan. Surah Isra, verse number 27. There is a word wastage, that means destroying something by using it carelessly. So, who destroys something by using carelessly, he will be called waster. We should remove any kind of wastage. It's a sin in Islam and also mentioned in the Quran in Surah Isra, verse number 27, that those who make wastage are the brothers of Shaitan. I am repeating the answer again. The meaning of misuse or israf is waste and unnecessary expenditure. To waste a thing without reasons called israf or wastage. Misuse is a great sin. Almighty Allah says, those who make wastage are the brothers of Shaitan. Surah Isra, verse number 27. So, dear students, our SW topic is short question answer 13 and 14. You have to submit your SW on this topic. So, dear students, I hope that you have understood today's topic clearly. Keep practicing at home. See you later, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.